When the dust settles, keeping order becomes the top priority. As thousands of protesters gather in the heart of Manila, authorities are keeping their guard up to maintain peace, safety, and traffic flow. The full report from our J.M. Thompson.
Thousands of protesters poured into Liwasang Bonifacio as the religious group shifted its demonstration from Quezon City to the heart of Manila after its one-day rally permit in Quezon City. With large crowds expected, police, traffic enforcers, and emergency response teams were deployed before daybreak to maintain order, secure the area, and minimize disruptions to the public. Manila Mayor Isko Moreno clarified that the gathering does not require a permit because Liwasang Bonifacio is a designated freedom park.
Ang Liwasang Bonifacio po ay isang freedom park, no? At katulad ng mga iba pang organisasyon na nagsasaad ng kanilang damdamin sa publiko na nagagamit ang Liwasang Bonifacio ng walang permiso sapagkat liliwanagin po natin maigi para po walang kalituan sa lahat. Ito po ay isang freedom park.
The Manila City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Department has been placed on red alert status to respond to any possible incidents during the demonstration. The Manila Police District said extensive coordination between the local government, police, and the rally organizers helped ensure the event remains orderly.
Mas organized ngayon kasi bago sila dumating dito, nakausap na nila ang local government units, nag-usap-usap na kami ng mga organizers at may bilin na rin sa amin ang national at saka regional headquarters.
Authorities said Liwasang Bonifacio can accommodate around 10,000 to 15,000 participants. Should the crowd exceed its capacity, police said they are prepared to recommend other available freedom parks.
May mga pa namang 3 freedom parks available kung sakali. Pwede namin i-suggest yun sa mga organizers. Yung Plaza Dilao, Plaza Moriones sa Tondo at saka yung Plaza Miranda.
Meanwhile, Ayala Bridge has remained closed since Tuesday, while several roads including parts of the Menjola area have also been shut down due to the protest. Motorists are advised to plan alternate routes to avoid heavy traffic as authorities continue to monitor the situation. J.M. Thompson for The Nation.